What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a quick, hopefully, install on the Jeep today. We're going to be doing LED headlights and LED fog lights. OEM ones on these Jeeps suck. You can literally barely see at night, so I'm going to swap those out. I got them for Serena for Christmas, and we're going to get into it. Alright, to start the install, we're going to start with these clips that go across the grill. Alright, next you literally just pull on the grill. Okay, so we have 3 10 mils. Alright, so we got everything plugged in. The anti-flicker module. We're gonna button it back up. That's the OEM. The LED. So, make sure you tuck all of the modules and ballast into the headlight. And you insert the headlight. This is to utilize cap. Finished product. Cap. Close. Moving on to the fog lights. There's a cover back here, which you guys probably won't see. Actually, you can see. Little bolts that go around it. Take it off. Alright, just wrapped up the one side. Before. And up. So we're just gonna get into this side. Both sides are buttoned up, as you can see. Functioning. We're gonna put the front grille back on. That's all she wrote, brother. That's the finished product. Alright, so just to show how bright they actually are. Come over here. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, so much better than OEM. Alright, so apparently I don't know how to film an outro, but here we are again in the M2 after editing the video and realizing I have no ending. But yeah, so quick video, just wanted to show the difference in the LED and the OEM halogens, and obviously you can see the difference. Super easy, super worth it. Go do it. But yeah, as always, guys, if you made it this far, please hit that thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you as always for coming back to watch another video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.